Dude, it's deep. The Wyoming BDR, this is day 2. We started yesterday down here in Bags, rode all the way to Centennial. Today, I'm gonna ride from Centennial to, it's a little place called Elk Mountain, population 194. And I'm not gonna do it alone. I got one of my good friends with me. His name is Jason Newby. And his wife is gonna hang out with Auny. Yay. So I don't know what y'all's adventure is gonna be today, but
I have a buddy.
Yeah, you have a buddy doing it, but I know my adventure. Gonna be taking him on the 790. I'll be on the T7, and we're gonna go have a lot of fun across the mountain. There's a big mountain peak that we're gonna find. We're gonna cross a river.
A river.
We're gonna cross the river.
It's only 6.5 feet deep.
It's only 6 feet deep. Yeah, yeah. And it's gonna be great. Come with us. Are you ready to experience adventure? Stay with me. Let's ride. Before we get too far, we're gonna go ahead and fill up with this 91 premium no ethanol. All right, we got ourselves a little go-go juice, and now we're ready to go-go. All right, we're gonna hop off right here. Okay, as soon as we got out of the town of Centennial, we quickly made our way onto some windy paved road, but it's got a lot of potholes in it. It's not super smooth. It's not bad, but there's a few little surprises along the way. The temperature is amazing. It feels super good right now. Kind of the perfect riding weather. Over here to our left, we can see mountains with snow on top, so that looks exciting. I think we might be heading that direction because we're supposed to find a really tall mountain peak that we're going to climb up and look at today. So I'm wondering if it's over there where the snow is. That would be really cool if that's true.
Apparently our gas cap is broken, so I'm at this Napa here in Laramie, and I'm gonna see if I think I'm just gonna take the cap in and just see if let's just shut that. Just see if they have another one of these. I don't know if you guys would have this, but do y'all happen to have a gas cap?
For what kind of vehicle?
It's a Sprinter van. 2011.
Probably not.
Yeah.
Okay. Riley's is down the street, or on 3rd Street,
Okay.
and they might have it.
Okay. We'll try.
Okay.
Thank you. Yeah, I am looking for a new gas cap for my Sprinter van. Okay. All right. Well, thank you anyway. So, do you have another one of these? It's a gas cap.
Yeah, what's it for?
We have a Sprinter.
A Sprinter?
Yeah.
What year?
2011.
Okay.
Yeah. Good up. Thank you.
Yeah, of course. How's that going?
Me too.
Okay, so we're gonna order a gas cap, and when we come back through, on our way back, we're going to pick it up.
We're getting into some better views up here. We can kind of see over the mountaintops and see that mountain with the snow on top that I was talking about. These rocks today are a lot less sharp than they were yesterday, so we can hit them with a little bit more speed and not have to worry so much. But yesterday, whew, man, there's some sharp rocks. Wow, this is gorgeous. Y'all need somebody to take your photograph. You ready? Y'all are all in line, but no one's with a camera. Y'all drove here from New Jersey?
Huh? No. I've been here in Wyoming.
Oh, okay. Okay. You're from Jersey. All right. I hear Jersey's nice this time of year. Is that true?
It's really hot this summer, like super, super hot.
Is it really?
Yeah.
And then after we have the hot, then they have these horrific lightning and thunder,
Oh, really?
which they had the other day.
Oh, wow. Now, the mountains here with the snow, it looks a lot like where you're from in New Jersey?
We still have the green.
The green. Okay. This is something else. There's a lake at the bottom. These mountains still have snow on them. This is so incredible. This is unbelievable. Wow. Oh yeah, dude, we have to stop here. Oh my gosh, look at this. Now, are we gonna do this all day where we just keep stopping at the same spots?
It's so pretty out here.
It's so gorgeous. Okay, we'll see you at lunch. Oh yeah, that's funny. You're right, it's a walking trail. I don't know if this is an actual road. Wow, this is worth it too. Look how gorgeous this is. All right, we had a little bit of blacktop. It was beautiful. And now we're about to hop on to some dirt. This is the red route, so it's considered the hard part of the trail. And to my understanding, there is a water crossing here that can be super deep and nasty. What do we have here? I could get by him, but it's like, I don't want him to do that about the time I'm going around him, you know? Oh, he's about to saw that Widowmaker over there, huh? He's gonna saw that down, so it's no, he's just gonna go under it. This is why they call it the hard route, is because it's so hard to get around the big tractors out here. Uh-oh, he lost his strap. Should I tell him? That door's about to hit a tree, dude. Let's see if he notices us. That was crazy. Hey, real quick, I got to tell you about an event that we're doing in June called Holy Smokies. It's in East Tennessee in the Smoky Mountains. It's going to be a lot of fun. Kind of a rally style event. Come hang out with us. Ride, eat food, campfire, the whole 9 yards. Details are at MotoMission.com. Let's ride. Impassable during high water. It looks pretty easy. Although, hold on a second. It's washed out. Getting down, there's a big drop off there. I'm gonna go to the right, but the left's probably the better one. Whoa, dude, it's deep. Don't go this line. Man, I hit some big rocks and it just fell into a hole. So I had to put my feet down. Yeah, just duck paddle if you have to. There you go. So that line to the right, no bueno.
This little town is cute. Elk Mountain, Wyoming. So I'm gonna go and see if we can get checked in. We'll see. So the Elk Mountain Hotel is locked. The doors are locked. It's like 12:30. Maybe they were trying to walk around back, but I don't see anything. Do you? I know. Does it? Yeah, it's called, I don't know how old it is, but they call it the historic Elk Mountain Hotel.
This place up if we have service and see.
When they will actually open the door. We'll see.
All right. Let's see if I can do a little better on this one. Yeah. Of course, my boots are completely full of water now. And this is the one time I didn't bring my boot dryer on the van. Because I was thinking, I'm not gonna need it. Yeah, that water crossing there, it surprised me. I didn't see that hole. Oh yeah? Oh yeah. Second nature at this point. But if I'm going too fast, I will be happy to slow down, no problem. Some pretty gnarly rocks back here, everybody. Some of these are like little boulders coming out of the ground, reaching up and trying to grab you. I actually bottomed out on that one. You could hear my skid plate hit. Yeah, with these rocks, we're just gonna kind of take our time so we don't puncture tires. Most of them are pretty good, but a few of them are kind of sharp and jagged. We're gonna go right up this boulder field. It's steep. How you feeling? Yeah, it's a hard right here, so let's take it and go.
Our rooms happen to be available, so we're gonna get to check in early. This is awesome. This place is so cool. How old is it?
The hotel was built in 1905.
1905.
Yup.
That's like 100 years. Oh. Cute. Cute little room. Bathroom.
Okay, we're gonna hop off our normal route, and there's a little excursion that we're gonna take up here to a lookout point called, I think it's called Kennedy or something like that, and we're gonna go up here and see what the views are. This will be in and back out, so we've been climbing and climbing on this road for quite a while. Bumpy, a lot of rocks, but oh wow. Oh, look at this. Phenomenal. These views. Wyoming is good to me. What do we have here? That is one big machine right there. That is insane. That thing is huge. The terrain is changing quite a bit. On the other side of those mountains, it's now getting into more dry and, I don't know, less trees. Jason, you having fun? I'm having a blast. I'm loving this. Okay, we are arriving at the little town of Elk Mountain. And oh, check out this sign. Look at that. What does that say? Backcountry Discovery Route. Ride BDR. I wonder. Oh, wait a second. There's Auny right there. What's going on? Is this? I had no idea. I literally stopped to see this sign and I see her standing there. I thought it was farther away.
I was walking you on the inReach and it was like, they're right here.
Yeah.
I knew you were going to hit us before you even hit the gas station. Yeah, how was your day?
Good, it's real good. Yeah.
It was excellent. Like really great. We had so much fun.
Good.
Okay, I got a shower and I've just been exploring this hotel. It's really cool. There's all sorts of stories, there's art, there's pictures on the walls. They're talking about this place being haunted. I don't know about that, but I think the ghosts live upstairs. I don't know, but this place is pretty cool, huh?
It's very cool.
It's really old hotel, and
1905.
1905. We're the only ones here, so they say.
Elk steak.
Elk steak. And what is this called?
Chicken schnitzel.
What?
Schnitzel.
Elk steak and chicken schnitzel. All right, let's dig in. Okay, this place is really wonderful. If you come to Wyoming to do the Backcountry Discovery Route, you're gonna come through Elk Mountain. And if so, you have to stay at this hotel because these people are fantastic. The food is great. The rooms are really lovely. You're gonna love this place. And I am so excited about it. The weather is amazing. I can't wait for tomorrow. We're gonna take these bikes and go put them through some more miles out here on the Discovery Route. And I am hoping that you're liking these videos. If so, please like, please subscribe. There's a lot more adventure coming. Hey, want more adventure? Click here.